I have here a wireless trailer kit. You can see it comes in this really nice case. Keep everything nice and protected. You can pop it open. And now we've got some instructions. There are two separate lights, one for the right, one for the left. And then there are some accessories. This is the transmitter that you're going to plug into the vehicle. Then it's got a charging cord, a charging adapter right here. And then this is a secondary mounting system if you need to mount it a different way. So there's three different ways you can attach this. The main way is it's got a really nice strong magnet built in right here. Then it has this nice suction cup, so you can use suction cup if you need to do that. But if your trailer is wooden, you do have this extra metal plate that you can just screw into the trailer, which will let you then use the magnetic attachment. So it does come with some screws to attach the metal plates and the safety wire if you need to use screws. So it does come with this safety cable right here that you are going to want to wrap around the light and attach to the trailer with some screws or a bolt. This is just in case the magnet or the suction cup fails, so you don't lose the light. It will stay attached to the trailer. So right here on my trailer, I've got a nice metal bracket, so the magnetic is going to work great. I will still attach the cable to the light, wrap it around, and attach it to the trailer right here so that if the magnet fails, I don't lose my light. So you can easily remove the light, and then it doesn't come with an included charger that will charge both lights at the same time. You just pull out the plug or the little cap right here and plug it in. It takes about 2.5 hours to charge, and then it will have roughly 9 hours of runtime once it's charged. So it does come with a little wrench so you can tighten up all of the nuts once you get it positioned and tilted to the angle that you want. So you can see I ran a cable, the safety cable, around and secured it. So now if the light falls off or the magnet fails, it's not going to fall all the way off. It'll just hang, and then I can put it back on later. Here is the transmitter. You can see on the bottom of it, it has a pairing button. It does come pre-paired, but if for some reason they become unpaired, you can follow the steps on the instruction manual to use this button to repair the lights. When you're ready to use it, you're just going to come to your trailer hookup, take it, plug it in, make sure it's pushed in all the way, and then the hook will hold it in place, and it's now ready to use. So these lights will work for many different ways. You've got the blinker on one or the other side, plus the hazards. If you do that, both of them will flash. It has a brake light. It also has a running light, so if you turn on your headlights, you're going to have a single row of lights turn on. It has backup lights, so if you're backing up, it's going to have some backup lights. And it also does have a built-in flash mode that you can enable by hand. So enable the flasher, you're just going to have the light turned on and then push and hold the power button for about 3 seconds. And you can see now it's going to just start flashing and will stay that way until you turn it back off. So now I'm going to go push on my brake and the blinkers and stuff so we can see the different modes. My backup lights are not working correctly, so I will not be able to show that one, but it does do that if your vehicle's backup lights are working. So you can see the blinker, those are brakes, and running lights when you've got your headlights turned on. And brakes and all the other functions still work even when you've got the headlights on or the brakes on. So you can see everything, makes it nice and easy to use. So this wireless trailer light kit is super easy to use. If your trailer doesn't have lights, or if you're having problems with your wiring like this trailer is, It's going to be really easy to just fix the light problem. You can also add these as extra lights if your trailer just needs some extra lights because it's a big trailer. You want to have better visibility. They work really easy. It's easy to set up, easy to install because it's just magnet or suction cup. Screw if you need to if it's a wooden trailer. And they are super bright, and they are going to make it so that others can see what you're doing with your trailer a lot easier.